Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to IELTS Maximum by Dr. Hamza. And before starting my video, just answer one question. What is the most difficult parts when you are taking your speaking module? It's cue card. Yes, you are right, because you have to speak on a topic for almost 1 to 2 minutes, probably 2 minutes, and then you need to explain that topic for continuously for 2 minutes. So it's very important to get an idea or do some brainstorming before you give your IELTS speaking exam. So here I have prepared for you a list of 12 topics जिसके अंदर से ही आपका IELTS का क्यू कार्ड आएगा. So I have worked really hard for this, and you are going to enjoy this list of cue cards which I am going to tell you. So don't go anyway. So keep looking the video to the whole length, because it is very important. So before wasting any time, let me explain the first topic. First topic could be favorite. Questions could be asked that you will get questions about the things you like. Okay, it could be anything: your favorite food, your favorite bicycle, the first time you have achieved something, or this and that. Okay, and second one is the time based. Now what does that mean? This means that you will get questions about past, present, or future events, that they can ask you that what you are doing these days. You say, okay, I am doing a bachelor's in this XYZ degree. Then they can say, can you tell us about the future, you in which field you want to go in, or what are your future goals or something. So it's a time based thing. Third is that person. You will get questions related to friend, family, relatives, or a guide. Yes, a guide. Because when you visit something, a historical place or something, then you can you do need a guide for that, to guide you about that place, so you can share that experience as well. Fourth is interesting. You will get questions related to the things that interest you the most. Fifth one is the object. You will need to answer questions related to objects, say clothes, appearance, for example, etc. Place. You will be asked questions related to places you like or already visited. Work or study. You need to answer questions related to your work, or could be you want to pursue. Eighth one is the emotions. In this scenario, you need to talk about your emotions today, or about some past event. It could be a failure as well, it could be a success as well. Just remember one thing: in IELTS you need to explain it with the simplicity, rather than putting complexity in your sentence structure and speaking fluency. That is not going to help you out. Just speak simply, just speak calmly, just speak beautifully, and you are going to achieve your highest band score. And ninth one is the occasions. You will be asked questions related to anniversary, event, or party you threw or attended. Okay, it's very important. Movie. You need to answer questions related to movie, like the story or people with whom you watched it. 11th one is the memories. You will be talk about your old and new memories, like childhood memories, like your future goals or something. Okay, last but not the least is the gift. You will get questions related to the gift you got or you have given to somebody. So they can ask you a cue card about this, and you have to speak for it for the 2 minutes. Remember, no question can be asked outside of these 12 events which I have explained to you. So prepare a sample for them, so you get an idea, you get a line in your mind before taking your speaking module. Okay, it is very important to have a bank or a tray of something. And just remember one thing: practice makes a man perfect. And if you practice your speaking skills with someone, there are a lot of applications are available, like baby code, and a lot of IELTS speaking AI tools are also there, with whom you can achieve your desired fluency, or can speak with fluency. So it is very important to practice. If you don't practice, then there is not going to help you out. So remember this list and share with your friends who are going to give their speaking module in the near future, and just try to go through the whole 12 of the opinions which I have mentioned in my video. And see you in the next video. So don't go away without like or subscribe my channel. So take care, love you all, and see you in the next video. And please do subscribe my channel. It is very important for me to get a like. It motivates me to work harder for you guys, so that you can achieve your brand's desired brand score without going to any academy or something. It's absolutely free. Just hit the bell icon and like the video. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.